everyone. Today we will be beginning our discussion of traveling salesman problems. Now, what is a traveling salesman problem? Well, a traveling salesman problem is basically where we have a traveler, some person or entity or whatever that is trying to get between a set of destinations or basically different locations in a way that is optimal, and this can be based around minimizing the cost of traveling. It can be minimizing the distance, it can be minimizing time. Any of these are possibilities. Instances where we might see traveling salesman problems can range from anywhere from an actual traveling salesman maybe trying to visit a bunch of different cities for the lowest total flight cost, to maybe you're going on a road trip and you want to minimize the number of miles that you drive in total between however many cities you're visiting, or it could be something as simple as you're running errands and you want to minimize the total traveling time. Now, up here I have an example of a graph that represents what we might see with a traveling salesman problem. So say point A is your home and you're running errands and you're trying to get between B, C, and D for the lowest total time. And these numbers on the different edges represent the traveling times. So the idea is we want to find a way, circuit, you can say, that visits all four of these vertices, A, B, C, and D, with the lowest total time associated with it. So any way of visiting all four of these locations would be what we call a tour, and whichever one does it for the lowest total cost or lowest total traveling time in this case, we would call an optimal tour. In the next few videos, we'll look at ways that we can solve these traveling salesman problems and figure out ways to sort of help minimize costs or distance or time or whatever you're optimizing based on. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them.